Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to wall jump in Roblox. To wall jump in Roblox, start by searching for a map that allows wall hopping. Just type wall hop in the search bar and select any map you like for practice. Once inside, press F11 for full screen mode and find a wall that's free to use. Next, click Escape to go to Settings and make sure Shift Lock switch is enabled. This will help with control during the jump. Position your character right next to the wall, then hold Shift, press W to move forward, and tap space to jump. With the timing and positioning correct, your character will jump higher than a normal jump. You can combine multiple wall jumps to reach higher platforms or traverse tricky areas, so keep practicing and experimenting to master the technique and Roblox. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.